Answering the clarion call of an Atmanirbhar Bharat and syncing its vision with the path-breaking leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's transformative idea of a resurgent, bold new India.
आत्मनिर्भर भारत पूर्ण आजादी का मूल स्वरूप ही है, जहां हम किसी पर भी निर्भर नहीं रहेंगे.
The Visakh Refinery Modernization Project by HPCL is emerging as a testament to India's march towards progress. Under the guidance of Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, the Visakh Refinery Modernization Project by Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, which is celebrating its golden jubilee, envisions a future aligned with Make in India at Visakhapatnam.
Make in India, make for the globe. कि इस मंत्र पर आगे बढ़ता रहा भारत आज अपने सामर्थ्य को और बढ़ा रहा है.
The city of destiny in Andhra Pradesh. From its humble beginnings in 1957, the Visakh Refinery has undergone a transformative journey in refining. The project has resulted in increased refining capacity from 8.33 to 15 million metric tons per annum, making India's eastern shores as fuel sufficient as its western coast. Proudly contributing to Atmanirbhar Bharat, VRMP champions Make in India. From the world's heaviest LC Max reactor in India's first ever residue upgradation facility to India's largest single train capacity hydrogen unit, India's prowess shines through the west to east journey of these engineering marvels. It boasts of a remarkable boost in the distillate yield and complexity index with an energy-efficient crude distillation unit, India's largest VGO hydrocracker and a sulfur recovery unit with an astounding 99.9% recovery rate. With oxygen enhancement technology, the possibilities are limitless. Let the numbers speak volumes. 39,000 pile foundations reaching the lower mantle, 4 lakh cubic meter of concrete surpassing the Burj Khalifa, world's tallest structure, and 15,000 kilometers of electrical cabling spanning Earth's diameter. During the project phase, it has generated a monumental 5.7 crore man-days, and post-commissioning, it will generate direct and indirect employment of around 2,500 personnel, supporting industries and betterment in quality of life. But the impact extends beyond steel and concrete. VRMP will create green belts and reach out to the community through enterprise social responsibility. VRMP will cater the energy requirements for the states of Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Maharashtra, West Bengal and Karnataka. It will increase in the availability of petroleum products and will add to additional tax revenue generation. With Visakh Refinery Modernization, HPCL will create more green belts and will further reach out to the community through enterprise social responsibility.